One more day to go here. I am up $465. I can say I'm done with phase one once I get to $500. I'm looking for $500 today. I don't know that I'll get it. I'm already up $10.98 on the day, so I'm halfway to my daily goal, and I need 35 to get to 500, and and now I only need 24. So, of course, yesterday I started in the green, as you know, and ended up going deep into the red. Almost hit my max loss a couple of times, and then after I stopped the recording, I managed to come back and give myself a green day and hit my daily goal. And so let's try not to repeat that one today. Daily goal, yes, but deep in the red, no. So right now the market is pulling back. We had an initial reaction to the jobs report on the market, and you can see that candle where it dropped right here. It was a bearish reaction, but we quickly turned around and came back up, and bulls mounted a charge and pushed the price all the way up into that area, but we're unable to close above that resistance of 393 from yesterday. So now here we come back down. So and we do have a daily lower low, don't we? So it's a 4-hour bounce. I'm not expecting too much today. 4-hour oversold this morning. Wow, on the RSI. That's interesting. And so we're bouncing, and we could bounce a long ways. Anything below this level way up here is still a lower high. I see SI is hitting my scanner, which is weird. Oh, wait a minute. So here's a quick look right here at my stocks that are gapping up today. CING, we'll take a look at that real quick. Back over to the charts. There we go. So that one's making a move. CING. Okay, so here's what I have so far. And I traded UNCY this morning. I didn't trade SI. I traded let's see, SQQQ, and I made $12 on that. And this was that jobs report. So SQQQ acts inverse to SPY to the markets. As a matter of fact, after SQQQ, after making money on it right here, just made a small amount right here. Then it started to fail, so I turned around and I traded TQQQ. Made a little bit of money on that because it was moving up as SQQQ was moving down. Okay, so let's put that CING up over here. I don't see any news on it, but who cares, right? It's moving up, so we'll see what happens there. I'll set my margin on it. Candle ranges, 43 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents. Okay, I'm going to say for now, just placeholder 20 cents. Okay, so I don't like really anything that I have here, but honestly, there's nothing else that I can put up here. So I guess what I'll do here first off is just show you what I did this morning. So as usual, I traded pre-market right around 5 o'clock. I bought this dip right here down to the volume weighted average price. I bought it at $2.37 right here, and I sold it right here at $2.40. I made 3 cents on that. I had no idea it was going to do this. A little bummed out by that. I did buy this. I didn't FOMO in though. I just let it ride without me. And then it pulled back, and so I bought the dip here, and I made more on it. So I was up pretty good on it. I was up I was up over half my daily goal. And then we pulled back here. I was looking at this equilibrium tightening range, and I wanted to get this breakout. I waited for it to pull back to the EMAs, and I bought it. And then it flushed down, stopped me out. Well, I took myself out because I don't have stop losses pre-market, and pretty much gave back everything I made on that trade there. I did give back everything I made. And then I took another quick trade on it a little later on somewhere. I don't remember where, lost a little bit more, and slowed down $4 on that stock. I am, however, Well, you can see at the top of your screen, but I'll show you here too. What do we have going on here? I'm up 1098, so that's more than half of my daily goals. So if I can hang on to that and add to it, that would be awesome. So right now, 5-minute downtrend on UNCY. It's hourly consolidation, and we've pulled back quite a ways. We have a level there at 218 that we pulled back to. So you can see, okay. Let's see what that looks like on the 5-minute here. 5-minute time frame. Well, you know, it's not real defined. I'd say right. Okay, let's look at this. We had a kind of a pivot right here. 215, and that's kind of where we bounced off. So we didn't close below this line, and we bounced off of that line. Kind of the way technical analysis works there. Okay, so you see on the 1 minute, it's the same story. Bears failed to close below the line. Bulls about to dip at 215. So I'm looking for a trend change on the 1 minute time frame. I want to see a pretty clearly defined trend change. We got to get over the EMAs first off. I'd like to get up over the volume weighted average price at some point. We're doing that now on SI. I haven't traded SI yet this morning. It came up on the scan and it was popping up right here. I saw it when it was up here and I was thinking, I could buy this, but I don't know. You know, it could still go higher, but I just really don't like getting in that high. And thankfully I didn't, as it proceeded to fail and give back a pretty good chunk of its move there. We pulled back on that one all the way to this pivot right here. So we came down to it, inside bar, bear break, bull break. Well, not a bull break, but bulls definitely buying the dip there. So that's very bullish when you see the bears try to break down and can't do it. So now, how much gas are the bulls going to put on here? We have a double top at 346. So I think if I'm going to trade anything, I think it's going to be SI to start, because we're getting up above the volume weighted average price. Consolidation has finished. We haven't pulled back nearly as far on the hourly time frame as what we have on UNCY. It's just an inside bar on the hourly, and bulls buying the dip on that 15-minute inside bar. So I don't know. We'll see. There could be something there. I want to see a 5-minute trend change, but definitely would like to see a confirmed 1-minute uptrend. And CING, well, you know, to be determined. Inside bar on the 5-minute. So the market is about to open. Good luck today and trade your strategy. Oh, SIVB got halted. I have no interest in it, but it got halted pre-market, and it has been halted for quite a while, about an hour. That doesn't sound good. Okay, well, I'm going to watch these candle ranges. We are in an area of support here on UNCY, so it's possible we see a bounce back up towards the EMAs or the VWAP. And I could try to take a trade on this first 1-minute watch. So let's see if I get filled. Oh, I did. That's amazing. A lot of times I wouldn't. I'm buying that dip right there. Just going to sell that real quick. All right. Tested the waters there a little bit. PACW just got halted. PACW. All right, we have some volume coming in here on CING. This is kind of a bear flag right now. And FRC got halted. What is going on? FRC got halted going down. PACW got halted going down. SIVB, like I said, has been halted. It's not a circuit break. I don't think it's a volatility halt on SIVB. It's something else going on there. Okay. Oh wow, UNCY. So it did make its move to the VWAP. I just wasn't sure, so I didn't want to hold that. I'm gonna wait for a good setup. I'm up $11 on the day. So we're just looking for a lower high on the 15-minute time frame on UNCY. Anything below 258 is a lower high. I want to see the bulls prove it here with a 1-minute trend change to start. I'd like to see a pullback, a higher low and higher high on the 1 minute. Something's going on with my live stream. I don't know why it's not live streaming here. That's weird. It's showing 2 live streams. I don't know what's happening there. That's really bizarre. Tempted to want to buy UNCY. That rhymed. But I just don't want to right now. I'm going to wait on that one. Let's see what it looks like here in a second. I was going to buy a dip, but it didn't dip for me. I'm buying off the volume weighted average price over here on BNED. SOXS hitting the scan. I'm adding to that for the breakthrough 245. I want to see a move up to 247. I'm flattening my position on BNED. And BNED looks like maybe it is going to go. I didn't like that red candle on that red volume. I see FAZ, they're doing some stuff. SOXS is one of those that can take a little while to get going. And there it's starting to take off a little bit. See these trades over here I'm in on UNCY. I was adding on the way down, but I really don't like the way that's dropping. Pretty scary to be in that much. So I'm just going to flatten it for the loss. You know, I hate to do that. Back over here, getting the breakout. I'm going to add to that breakout. SOXS still taking its time. Little dip by there. And I'm going to buy FAZ with my stop down at the low there. And there is SOXS. I'm taking my profit on that. And I'm also taking the profit on FAZ. Now just waiting for BNED to give me something here. There we go. I'm going to sell that right there. That was nice. Very nice indeed. So I'm almost at my daily goal. Oh, wow. Did SOXS get halted? Oh, no, it didn't. BNED. Let's see here. There we go. So I hit my daily goal there. So I'm going to have to honor my rule now that um, I have to apologize if you're having trouble with the live stream. I don't know why, but for some reason it's splitting it up and it's live streaming two different places. And I can't seem to get connected to my own live stream. Well, there it is. This is really kind of crappy. I don't know what's going on with YouTube here. Maybe it's my connection or something. I'm not really sure why it's got two live streams going here, and I can't seem to cancel the one. Okay, so anyways, what are we looking at? So I'm at my daily goal. I really think I might stop. What would that do for me here? So if I were to type this in 2107, that is going to put me at $486. So I'll be $14 away from hitting from finishing phase one if I stop right now. On the other hand, if I continue trading and give back profit, that's not going to be good. And SOXS, here's what I was just looking at. So I just put this in here, 2107. It would put me up 486. And my chart didn't update because I think, oh yeah. Oh, but I'll have to figure that out later. Okay. Nice bounce on BNED. I'll buy the dip on it. Sold into that push. Oh, wow. I really could have held it for more, huh? It's okay. I'm up 25 now on the day. I mean, the momentum is here in the market. What's the overall market doing? Oh, well, the overall market's down. SPY is continuing to drop. Wow. So I would expect to bounce here, maybe off of this support down here at 388.12. So look for the market to bounce in a little bit, I would say. Maybe. You never know. It could blast right through those levels. Always be ready for anything. Be ready for a little bit of everything all the time. Man, SOXS, well, I bought it back here, and what if I'd still been holding it? But who knew it was going to do this, right? I mean, that's an incredible move up with no consolidation. I want to buy FAS here for the breakout over 221. I mean, it looks good for a breakout. I kind of want to buy BNED off the volume weighted average price. And there goes FAZ. So buying would have been the right choice. There, I think I've got that fixed. Oh wait, no, I don't. What the heck is going on here? 361 and 412. Oh no, my Excel sheet, it's broken. 2151. So I'm up on the day 2449 so far. So there's what that candle looks like. My high of yesterday was way up there at 480, whatever it was. 493. And 493 was my high of yesterday. So I am $11 away from hitting $500. Okay, FAZ. So, I considered buying it here, and then that would have been the right choice. And I thought about, I could buy it off the back test here. That would have been the bad choice. Thought about buying here for a bounce off of the volume weighted average price. Right now, it's not working out, but it could still. Volume is dropping off, so that usually happens when you have a tightening range. And here we go. Maybe it's going to break now. I was a little concerned about a bear flag here, possibly. High of day is up there at 250. So 250 also psychological. Look at SOXS, how it hits that. What level? Let's take a look at that. What level is that we have marked out here? I don't even know. What did I even do that? It came right up to it. Well, I don't even think that was. I mean, of course it was me, but I mean, yeah, who else would it be? Somebody's using my computer. Dang it. The hourly time frame. That's way back here from several days ago. And I don't even know that's something on a smaller time frame that I marked out. It's got me curious now. Check the this is the one. Oh, no, let's go to the 5 minute. Boy, there are so many. Take a look at this, guys. Look at this. So this is the halt scanner down here. On a typical day, you might see one or two or three, but look how many there are today. That's crazy. And most of those are halted going down. High of day momentum scanner. That's what's on there so far. These are all just, UVXY, SOXS. They're not really small cap, high moving stocks. Okay, so I wanted to see where did those levels come from? I don't think I have this set up correct. I'm wasting a lot of time this morning because what did I do there? It's been a while since I've done this. 360 days. Yeah. Okay. So we go back. Of course. So there must be some. Whoa. Must be something I marked out on the smaller time frame because the 5 minutes not working. It's probably like the first 1 minute candle range. It's so weird though how it came right to that level. There must be somewhere. Oh, it's right here. So there's a pivot down here. So that would be if somebody was marking levels on this, people probably thought, okay, well, here's that. There's like also a low of day there. That's what we broke through, and we have not been back up there since. You see that? And we finally have come back up to there. Oh, but we're not quite there yet. You could that line, or maybe this one. There are several lines. It's not exact. This is not exact science. Anyways, somehow I got lost in my line drawing there. So let's go ahead, get back here. UNCY is now jumping up on the scan. Let's go take a look. Oh, yes, it is. UNCY. Wasn't even watching it. Very nice. And you have SI. Kind of forgot about our leading gappers this morning. I was over here focused on the other ones. But I haven't been very successful with UNCY. I was pre-market, but not since the bell rang. Well, I guess I was that first trade that I took right in here. But then I tried to trade it here for a break higher and then lost on the pullback here. Tried to add to it on the way down, which is not a good idea. So over here, BNED and SOXS and FAS all pulling back now. What did I do here? Oh, I see what I did. Okay, there we go. So consolidation on the 5-minute is underway on those stocks. Well, it looks like the live stream is still working, but for some reason I'm not able to hook up to it here. Right now, what I'm doing is, well, just kind of being really picky about what I want to trade because I'm at my daily goal and I don't want to give back my profits. And so I'm kind of waiting to see if I see something that looks like really, really good. We have a high of day up here now of 247. I mean, yeah, I could buy a pullback to the volume weighted average price on this one. I'm just not convinced I want to do that. Oh, my stop loss is pretty wide, so I'll take a starter position on it just to see what happens. But I am going to move my stop loss up so I don't give back too much profit if this doesn't work. A little bit of everything all of the time. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Now it's at the volume weighted average price. Put a limit order down here, a little bit lower. My stop loss got canceled. Of course, Thinkorswim for some reason cancels my stop losses on me. So there's the move starting to take shape. I will cancel my buy order there. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of the candle because if it comes back down, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. Yeah, I don't know. I'll get back out there. Almost break even. Oops, I'm a little late on that. I tried to get it before it broke and just wasn't quite quick enough. Let's see if that comes back to haunt me here. Oh, All right, so I'm giving back too much money. I am thinking I'm going to be done here. This is kind of what I was worried about. One more try. One more try. I've seen these happen before where it'll hit a second time on the volume weighted average price, then you get that move. I'm adding to it on the way up. I'm going to add again. And I'll put my stop losses in place. And of course, Thinkorswim doesn't like me moving them. They're like, no, you can't move your stop losses. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that profit right there, back up above my daily goal. And that's where I'm going to end it today. I don't want to trade this anymore and end up giving back money. Things are feeling a little choppy, especially UNCY and SI, and with the other stocks pulling back like they are. That's going to do it for me. So my Friday is another green one. I'm going to go ahead and enter this in here. I am up 22.25 at my daily goal. I didn't go over this at the beginning, but my daily goal, you've seen this before probably. My risk is $10 per day. My daily goal is to make $20. When I get to 500, I'm finished with phase one. Then I can move on to phase two, where I increase my risk to $25. My daily goal becomes 50, and I am looking to make $1,000. So I had planned to do this in 40 days, and here it is. I think it's like day 33, and I'm almost done with it. It's day 36. Tomorrow will be day 36. So if I can hit my daily goal tomorrow, I will have finished phase one in 4 days sooner than what I had anticipated, which is good. That means I'm getting better at trading. That's good news. So anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. I hope your trading day has gone well, and we'll see you back here Monday morning. Adios.